Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March the 5th, 2023. We're going to talk about Litecoin. I want to figure out if that $125 price target, if it's still on course, if price is still going to run up there throughout the rest of 2023. You guys can see I already got a price prediction in the market in Litecoin right here from the 30th of January, 2023. You guys can see how price has traded against this idea. Market has gone higher up there towards $105 was the high in this particular space in Litecoin. So hopefully you was able to grab some of that profit out the market at around 105, because if so, that would have garnered you around 14% profitability right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut this price prediction out the way because I really want us to clean up what's been going on into the market in Litecoin, albeit I still may be bullish looking for Litecoin to go higher. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut this out. And first of all, we really haven't seen too much into the market in Litecoin since I did my price prediction of the 30th of January. The market has just simply been hovering and consolidated in between $85 as support and around $102.50 as resistance. So that's the trading channel that the market in Litecoin currently is going through. Now, take a look at this though. We can see how price in Litecoin is also making lower highs. That's a negative for us if we're looking for price to trend higher. We don't want to see price in Litecoin making lower highs into the market. That simply tells us that the demand here in Litecoin also is waning. So look at this on the trend line, and you guys can tell even here in Litecoin that the price has traded below our trend line, which began towards the ending of December 2022. Price now is trading below that overall trend. So we got two negative aspects against us for us to consider if that $125 price target is still on point. So real quick, let's look at this on the weekly time frame here. And another negative aspect is us noticing from a weekly perspective, all of these weekly price bars in Litecoin is telling us that price has been unsuccessful at really keeping itself above $100. Now, if the price really was bullish, if people really wanted to move this market up in Litecoin, we would have seen price at least over the last 6 weeks hold and maintain itself above $100. And we're not even getting that right now. Okay, so keep that in mind as we continue to push forward. Here it is on a 2-weekly chart. Again, this is where we could possibly see the market in Litecoin grab the ascending line. From a 2-weekly perspective, we're actually noticing how price can actually hold the trend. Here it is on the 3 weeks. So we have 7 hours and 30 minutes left in Litecoin, and this is telling me that we are hitting the ceiling. The prior 3 weeks, take a look. The market in Litecoin also could not trade above $96, $100. So in the next 7 hours, if Litecoin holds and trades below 100 or not $96, then we have to contemplate that price is generally weaker than it is stronger. It's not surprising. Take a look at the market action in Litecoin in the beginning of 2022. The market utilized $96, $97 as support, and we fell through there May of 2022, and now we're coming right back up to it, and currently we're still seeing emphasis of sellers into the market, so we won't go higher. That $125 price target won't be hit until we see market trade above this area of around $97. Okay, so from that perspective, we would have to say that generally, yes, price is currently right now, the market is definitely weaker than it is giving us emphasis of market strength. So we have to be cognizant of that. We have to keep that in mind, that if price in Litecoin does not trade above this $96.50, $97 area, price is not a buy right now. Okay, so look at this on the 2-day chart as well. So what we're currently getting is the emphasis that there's still some demand here. There's still buyers into the market in Litecoin. Like, let's not get it twisted. There's still people here who think $90.45 is a value. That is why the market is not swift into going down right now, because people's actually here seeing that this may be a valuable price, a value to come in and buy Litecoin. Okay. So now, generally, what I think the market action in Litecoin is going to do, if anything, we're going to maintain what we've seen since I did my last price prediction, which is seeing Litecoin consolidate with the advent of looking for price to go down. Now, I'm not going to say a crash. I'm not going to say a plummet. I'm not going to say a collapse. I'm just simply saying that we may see the market meander lower as time goes on until we find another location that we can see buyers. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. I'm going to place some slight weakness into the market in Litecoin. Okay, let me go ahead and bring this on over. Go ahead and bring up this magnifying glass. And you guys can see, let's go ahead and put this on the chart. So now, until we see the market in Litecoin really trade above $96, $97 as resistance, we are going to play some slight weakness. Now, I don't think the market in Litecoin is extremely weak. That first target that we're going to look at into the market in Litecoin is going to be 87.50. Okay, that's our first target. And you guys can see that's around 3.13%, $87.63. My definite second target is going to be here around $86. And that is 5.06%, 85.88. And that third target is going to be a little bit lower, which is going to be here around 84. So that's 7.14% move to the downside in Litecoin. Okay. $84 is the third target. So like I said, I'm not really too bearish into the market in Litecoin, just simply looking for the price to consolidate with a slight emphasis to seeing price go lower. Outside of that, we'll see how weak the market really is as time goes on though. Welcome everyone to the channel. This is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. If you guys want to join me, then I would recommend that you guys subscribe to the channel to get more of this information without the confusion. And as well, the comment section of this video is open, so I would recommend that you guys try this on your own to give a price target, figure out where price is going to go so that you guys can profit from the move. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.